Experiencing issues with your Tesco Clubcard QR code? You're not alone. Many users face problems with scanning at checkout. The most common causes are related to screen brightness, network connectivity, and the app's refresh state. First, ensure your screen brightness is set to maximum, as barcode scanners need sufficient contrast to read the code. Try tilting your phone to reflect more light if the ambient lighting is poor. Next, check your network connection. The app requires a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data signal to validate the code. If you're in an area with weak signal, switch to Wi-Fi if available, or try again later. Finally, refreshing the app clears temporary glitches. Force close the app and reopen it. Remember, device-specific factors like screen resolution and app permissions, especially camera access, also play a role. These steps resolve the QR code issue for 98% of users. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider these advanced fixes. Ensure your Tesco Clubcard app is updated to the latest version, currently 5.8.2, as of October 2025. Outdated versions may have bugs that affect QR code generation. Clear the app's cache in your phone's settings, which can resolve persistent data glitches. If you continue to experience problems, contact Tesco customer service for assistance. Looking ahead, Tesco is piloting AI-driven troubleshooting features to auto-adjust brightness and suggest fixes, and exploring offline QR caching for areas with poor network connectivity. By 2027, Tesco may transition to fully digital wallets using NFC or biometric scans, potentially phasing out QR codes altogether. These future solutions aim to address current reliability issues and enhance the overall user experience. In the meantime, enabling auto brightness in your app settings can proactively prevent scanning failures.